Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and we are in Massena, New York. And we're going to take a little trip down through some of the main streets of Massena just to give you an idea of what it's like up here. ALCOA was the biggest plant, but it's kind of gone downhill a little bit, I guess, if you want to think of it that way. General Motors and Reynolds Aluminun, of course, are long gone. In any case, let's go down through Massena, New York. And I'm here today with, no, I can't find it. Oh, well. There he is. There he is. All right, let's take a trip. So here we go, into Massena. It was quite a bustling place at one time. As I said, not so much. Tim Hortons is the same as Dunkin' Donuts. It's just the Canadian brand, and Massena is very close to the border. We'll continue down through. As a point of interest, we are on Main Street. Well, we should have kind of pointed that out before. This is Main Street, Massena. Apparently March 26th is the Massena Fire Department Chicken Barbecue. Stores are closed, unfortunately. Around a little bit today. Unfortunate. what's called North Main Street. There we go. Yeah, well, it's sunny downtown Massena.